Day everyone. My name is Philipandro Algumabong, BTVT FSM3A student of Sultan Kudarat State University. And in our today's video, I'm going to show you on how to record, encode, and compute grades using Microsoft Excel DEPED format E-class record. Come on. This school year 2020 to 2021, you can still use the operational DEPED electronic class record templates because of the COVID-19. So the feed order series of feed order number 31 series of 2020 so have been mandated last October 2 2020, which also known as the interim guidelines process grading in light of the basic education learning continuity plan. It tells there that there is no periodic test on the school year based on so you can see here in table 1 the weighted distribution of summative assessment components for learning area for grade 1 to 10. So the major assessment components only here is the written works and performance tasks, the same with to the senior high school. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to compute grades based on this DEPED order number 31 series 2020. We're going to use information in our class records. But before we proceed to the computation, let's explore first its component. Give here the written works about 30% and the performance task 20%. Where did I get this percentage? I got it from here in the table 2, the weight distribution of summative assessment components for senior high school, which specifically we're computing the grades of the grade 12 cookery, which is under the track of the TBL. Here we can see that written works equivalent of the weight is 30% and the performance task is 70%. Now going back is but also we have here the student name and the row school that I already encoded. For that, we're going to proceed to the computation. Now it's because it is automated. This E-class record is automated. Make sure not to edit the formula but need to avoid a fourth terms. For our step 1, get the total score of the learner in each component. And first we must add all the rows. Here we have the rows of the student. Okay, so Wilma and in the house. Here 8, 20, 11, 25, 19, etc. So we must just add all of it so that we can get all her total scores. So it's 150. Next is to get the percentage score of the PS. Just divide the total score here, the total score, by the total highest possible. We multiply it by 5. Here the illustration. So this is the formula for the percentage score. Total score divided by highest possible score times 100. As we can see here, we have 150 and the highest total is 215, so it's equals to 0.69 and times it in 100 times 100 9.76 or 69.77. So this is how we got our percentage score. For the step 3, compute the weighted score or the weighted average. So this is the formula. Weighted score is percentage score times the component weight in decimal form. Okay, we have here the 69.77 times 30. This is, and we are going to transform it into the decimal form. So 69.77 times 0.30 is equals to 20.93. Also, Next, for the step 4, we have same way we are going to do in the performance test. We have here 90, 98, and 89. So the total of it is 227. Also, percentage score is 92.33, and the weighted score is 64.63. Now, how are we going to get the initial grade? How are we going to get it is by adding the weighted averages of the written work and the performance pass. So written work plus performance pass weighted score is we have here the 20.93 plus 64.63 equals to 85.56. Now for the step 1, get the final or the quarter grade by transmuting the initial grades. So how are we going to get this quarterly grade or the final grade? You will see that in the number 8 series of 2015. And here, the quarterly grade, the initial grade of 85.56, we find out is transmuted grade is 90. Now, it's going to do the same procedure to the other student. As point here at the side, and you see the cross, just drag and drop. Now you can see it's now automatically computed. The same way we shall do to the performance tab. Drag and drop. You can see it's all now automatically solved. So that is the advantages or the good about it. The records is then formatted using the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet file document, which gives the teachers important reading information and evaluation on which class of grades are now more reliable and efficient. That's how we grade then in this new grading system with a sample e-class record with automatic transmutation. So this is Philip Andrew Ogumabong again. Thank you for watching.